Okay, green hull number one. I'm working on two of these. It's all kind of sanded, polished on the outside, but there's a little layer of dust on it right now. But what I wanted to show you is inside. Up here's where the fuel tank's going to go. I got to mount it yet. And then you got the pad for the bench seat and the two basically boxes to hold the phone. And then down here we'll get the motor box, or the battery box, and bilge pump, and some other electrical stuff that'll go in there. But you can see there's a nice footrest. We got everything coated, although the color we chose makes it kind of look like concrete. But yeah, the bench will go over to, well, it'll go over so far, and then well, it'll look good. I just wanted to show you where it's at. Everything's ready to start bolting stuff in this one, and the other hull will be ready shortly to do the same thing. So yeah, this is where it's at. All right, thanks for watching.